Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to customize your YouTube comments you add to a video to make it bold, strike through, or italics. So this is a good way of highlighting your comments and making them stand out from the rest. It also adds a bit of personality to your comments. So go to a video where you want to comment. Now to make your comment bold, then you need to add an asterisk or a star to the beginning and the end of the text. So I'll add that star at the beginning, then my text, and then another star. Then click on comment and you'll see the result. Now to create a line through your text, you need to add a hyphen at the beginning and at the end of the text. Then click on comment and you'll see the result. The last one is where you want to make your comment italics. So you need to add an underscore at the beginning and at the end. Then click on comment and you'll see the result. Now the other way of doing this is by using an extension called Tubebuddy. I have a link in the description where you can use to join Tubebuddy. It has an inbuilt tool where it allows you to do this. In your comment section, you'll see a text toolbar appear where you can set your bold, strike through, or italics. And there you go, that is how to customize your YouTube comments to a video. Hope you guys found this useful. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.